Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you all are aware that we are solving LeetCode top 50 SQL question. So today's question is this one. The question name is replace employee ID with the unique identifier and the question code is 1378. And the concept related to this question is based on joins, right? If you are not aware of joins in SQL, please comment. I'll upload a separate video on joins in next 2-3 days. Before we move forward, if you have not watched any video yet, please save this playlist and watch all these video one by one, as these lead code questions are very important for your interviews. No matter if you are preparing for data analyst, data engineer or any other interview, solving SQL questions are very important, right? Okay, so before we start, if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. So let's understand the question, and if you have any other approach, comment that approach into the comment section, right? So let's understand the question. So basically we have two table. One is employee table, another is employee UNI table, right? For employees table, we have two columns. Columns are ID and name, and ID is the primary key for this table. And for employee UNI table, also there are two columns, and both the columns, right? Like ID and unique ID, both of these columns are primary key for this table. So what is the requirement here? So requirement is write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. Okay, so basically we have to show the unique ID of each user, right? If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null, right? So basically we have to show the unique ID of each user, and if unique ID is not present, then we have to show null. Understand with the table. Let's look at the table. So for employee table, we have total 5 rows are there, right? And the IDs are 1, 7, 11, 90 and 3, and the name are Alice, Bob, Mir, Winston and Jonathan. And for employee UNI table, IDs are 3, 11 and 90, and unique IDs are 1, 2 and 3. What is the output? In the output we need two columns. One is unique ID from employee UNI table, another one is name, right? Name from employee table. So how we will be able to achieve this one? We have to join these two tables. Okay, and which join we have to use, we will see in a bit. So in the output we have like total all names are here, right? All names from employee table are here, right? Alice, Bob, Mir, Winston and Jonathan, right? All are here, and the unique ID which are present here is available here, and if not, then null is coming. So how these are coming, let's understand. See, for ID 1, the name is Alice, so ID not present here. That is the reason unique ID is blank. Sorry, unique ID is null here for Alice, right? Similarly for Bob, because ID equal to 7 is not present in the employee UNI table, right? But if we look at ID equal to 11, the name is Mir, so ID equal to 11 is present here and unique ID 2 is here, right? So see, unique ID 2, name is Mir. And similarly for other two IDs, right? Like 90, for 90 the name is Winston, and for 90 unique ID is 3. So in the output we need 3 and Winston. So 3 and Winston. And similarly for Jonathan as well. Explanation is also given here. You can read it out, but I have explained you in a very nice way. So how we will be able to achieve this one, right? So let's try to achieve. So select all from employee table, right? So we have to use left join here. Because why? Because we need all the name from employee table, and employee table is in the left side, left, and employee UNI table is in a, we are writing employee first, so employee table in the left section, left side, right? So left join on what? Employee UNI table, right? Employee UNI on. So I'll alias this employee as E1 and employee UNI as E2. So we have to join these two tables, but how we will be able to join? Based on some like common columns. So common columns are here ID, right? ID from employee table and ID from employee UNI table. So ID from, so E1 dot ID. So this ID is nothing but this one, right? 1, 7, 11, 90 and 3. This equal to what? E2 dot ID, and this ID, this E2 is referring to employee UNI table and the IDs are 1390, right? So let's run. No, not run. What we need in the output? Unique ID and name. So unique ID is from second table, that is employee UNI table. So I'll write E2 dot unique ID, right? Unique ID. And also we need name. So name is in a first table, that is employee table. So E1 dot name, right? Let's now run, and I believe the answer will be accepted. See, answer is accepted. I hope you understood why we are using left join, because see, we need all the data from employees table and the matching one from the employee UNI table, and here employee table is in the left of this one, that is the reason, right? If we cut here, cut and paste, right, then we will be, if we write right join here, we will be able to solve, but using left join is always preferable, and I would recommend you to use left join also, right? I hope all doubts, everything is clear. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment your doubt into the comment section, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share the video to your social media platform. We will meet soon. Till then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.